Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, the grand experiment. This is that Lionel 246 that arrived this afternoon. $8.50 on eBay. Got it up and running, repaired the shell, and I have just added a front coupler to it. So I've got a Marks tender on it. I've added a Marks coupler to the front for now. Don't know if I'm going to put a Lionel or Marks on there. They'll be interchangeable just by removing that one screw. In any case, this is the grand experiment. I just put this together, put it on the rail, pulling 10, 11 cars, if I remember right. So we'll run it forward first. And let's run it backwards. Running as a switcher, the Lionel 246. As you see, it works. No doubt about that. It's actually working quite well. So was it worth $8.50? You tell me. So as you can see how I mounted that front coupler, it's just a single screw screwed in from the bottom, so there's no screw coming out the top. And I may leave it like this, I'm not really sure yet. Anyway, I just put a Marks knuckle coupler on there for now. I could put a tab and slot on it, I could put a Lionel on it. I could leave it like this and just swap them out as I need them. But in any case, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. I've been looking for something to build into a switcher, and this seemed like the absolute perfect choice. It was cheap, it was broken when I got it, so it was easy to make the transition to a switcher. Like I said, I had to grind off the bottom where the broken pilot was to give me some room for this coupler, but as you see, that's working really, really well. It looks nice, it works well, it's exactly the right height, and best of all, of course, is the fact that it was cheap. $8.50, and it is running. And it is running actually quite well. Forward and reverse. So the Lionel 246 switcher. So I'm really pleased with it. It came out all right, looks okay, was easy to do. I've got the hole in the shell repaired on the other side. It's running forward and reverse, a bit of cleanup on these push rods. And this is going to be actually fairly decent switcher for $8.50. As you can see, that doesn't actually look too bad. So I just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.